Hello, good morning. Welcome to SAROJINI SMART LEARNING. For the last few episodes, you are watching my videos. Thank you, one and all, for watching and writing comments in the comment boxes. So, for the last few episodes, we are doing different topics for the primary level to upper primary levels and the middle school. So, this week also, again, I'm trying to give a new topic that is about measurements. Yeah, in measurements we have three type of things. One is the distance, what we call length, and the weight, which is the mass. Okay, and the liquids, that is in liters. There are three types of things. So we will discuss in detail about this, and especially I'm concentrating on the kids who are really weak in mathematics and really get confused in understanding mathematics at the school level. So I would like to share a few things with an examples. So hope you will understand it. Okay. In the last episode, we are doing with different topics. So here this week we are coming with a measurement. So first of all, if you check measurement. Here, what is measurement? How to measure it? What are the gadgets to be measured? This is the concept. So measuring. Suppose if you go to a grocery shop and ask for a sugar or a salt or something else. So it will be measured in weights. Weights, yeah, 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg, 100 kg, like that. Suppose if you want to measure the distance from Hyderabad to Bangalore, or Hyderabad to Delhi, or Hyderabad to somewhere else, or one place to another place, so that we will measure in kilometers. So before we go to kilometers, we should know what are meters. Okay, so before we go to meters, what are millimeters? So these are the three things. If you concentrate on here, then it will be very easy for you to understand it. So what are millimeters? Suppose in your school, when you buy a station, if you go to stationery shop, so you will have a scale, right? On this scale, here it will be 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is 1. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. So here you'll find a scale. On that the numbers will be written. Okay, from between 0 and 1, between 1 and 2 and 2 and 3, there are 10 parts equal, 10 parts divided and kept. So here these 10 points are called nothing but millimeters. We call as millimeters. So here from this point to this point, or this point to this point, is called 10 millimeters. So 10 millimeters is nothing but 1 centimeter. Okay. Now, first of all, we are concentrating only on millimeters. Then, if you go on adding 1 millimeter to other up to 10 times, that is 10 millimeters, make 1 centimeter. Okay. Now coming to. So like that, there are 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 50 centimeters, 100 centimeters, 200 centimeters, 500 centimeters, like that 1000 centimeters also will be there. But here on our counting, if you go on counting for 100 centimeter, then we call as 1 meter. 100 centimeter is called 1 meter. So before that, so millimeter, this mm is the symbol for millimeter. Okay, cm is for centimeter, and m is for meter, and km is for kilometer. Have you understood the 4 parts? Here kilometer, meter, and here I will take centimeter also. Centimeter, and millimeters. So 4 things are there in measuring the distance of a particular place or particular area or particular thing. Suppose in the school we have a writing table. Yeah, the table, will you count in kilometers? No. We have to count in meters, because if I take an example, of a needle, a small needle or a small pencil, we can calculate in millimeters. Yeah. No, still smaller than needle, whatever is there, that becomes under millimeter, and the pencil can be measured in centimeters, and meters means like the wall or the distance between one place to another place in a room or in the lawn, we can calculate in meters. Like from one station to another station when we go, so that is, which are in thousands and thousands of meters, that comes under kilometers. So kilometers, meters, centimeter and millimeter. So here millimeter symbol is mm, centimeter symbol is cm, meter symbol is m, and kilometer symbol is k. Okay. Now coming to this one, as I told, 10 millimeters makes 1 centimeter. Now 100 centimeters make 1 meter. Then 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. These are the basic things each and every student has to learn. Then after that, addition of measurements, subtraction of measurement, multiplication, division, that will come. One by one we will go. So till that time, so these are the basic things you have to remember. Okay? Next. Yeah. Now we are going to do conversion of meters to kilometers. Okay, conversion of meters to kilometers. Suppose we have 5,374 meters and you want to convert into kilometers. So how we are going to do? So this is the question. So this is what? Conversion of meters to kilometers. So here 5,374 meters. So is equal to how many kilometers? So 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters, isn't it? Now here the question is 5,374 meters makes how many kilometers? This is the question. Just whenever you calculate, you can calculate it in this manner. So 1 into 5,374 divided by 1,000. Okay, this is 5,374 divided by 1,000, which is equal to 5.374. That means it is 5 kilometers, 374 meters. This is the final answer. So how I did 5.374 is the question. So divided by, it is given by 1,000. 1,000 in the sense 3 zeros. So before 3 digits, we have to put a decimal point. If it is 1 0, before 1 digit, you can put a decimal point. If it is 2 zeros, before 2 digits. In that way, we can calculate. Or the division process is a lengthy process for that one. Okay. So whatever the number given in meters, you can convert into kilometers. The thing is, you have to divide it. Suppose the same thing, if you convert kilometer to meter, then that is simple. As I told, suppose if I 7 kilometer is equal to how many meters? Simple. 1 kilometer, what? 1,000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000. So 7 kilometers is equal to how much? So now here, just now I told you the technique. 7 kilometers into 1,000 meters divided by 1 kilometer. So kilometer get cancelled. What you left? 7 into 1,000 meters, which is equal to 7,000 meters. So 7 kilometers is equal to 7,000 meters. or if it is 9 kilometers, it will be 9,000 meters. Okay, if it is 15 kilometers, it is 15,000 kilometers, and so on. So here, when we are converting kilometers to meters, we are multiplying with 1,000, and if you want to convert from meters to kilometers, we are dividing with 1,000. So this is the basic step I'm going to I'm explaining today. So hope you understood this one, and in the next episodes I will go into the detail like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, whatever it is. We will come back with one more episode. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.